Love traveling but hate complicated points? Let's talk about the Capital One Venture Rewards in 2026. Right now, you can earn a massive 75,000-mile bonus after meeting the initial spend requirement. That is over $750 in travel rewards value that can take you almost anywhere in the world for free with just a few clicks. Forget tracking complicated categories. The Venture Card keeps your travel rewards simple. You earn an unlimited 2 miles for every single dollar you spend, on every purchase, every day. From groceries to bills, it's always 2x miles. No math, no stress, just rewards.
The best part? There are no blackout dates or annoying travel restrictions. Just buy your flight with the card and use your miles to erase the cost later. It's travel rewards without the headache of confusing booking portals.
We've all been there, stuck in those endless airport security lines while your flight is about to board. But with the Capital One Venture Card, you can breeze through TSA PreCheck without even taking off your shoes. The card covers the application fee for you, giving you a statement credit of up to $120 every 4 years. It also includes global entry, making your return from international trips faster and completely stress-free. Travel like a VIP with 2 free visits per year to Capital One lounges or the Plaza Premium Network. Plus, enjoy an instant upgrade to Hertz 5-star status, making your car rentals faster and more luxurious. All these premium perks for a card that pays for itself year after year.
If you want a travel card that's simple, powerful, and pays you back for every dollar, the Venture Card is a top choice. Are you ready to start traveling for free? Subscribe to Zero Fare Travel for more credit card tips. See you on your next adventure. Let's make your travel dreams a reality.